Hi, this is Ray with Gap Arbor Supply, and today we're going to split a T540i and replace the fan. So first we're going to have to take these 10 screws out that hold the housing together. So T27 wrench, and we also need to remove the chain brake handle here, the chain brake guard, to split the saw. Now that the screws are out, we're just going to split the case, and we can pull the chain brake guard off with the chassis side. And you can see that the fins of the fan are broken. Looks like we've got some down the side here. See it down in there. So let's get this off and put the new one on. I'm just gonna pull firmly, and we're gonna make sure the splines line up, and just push that new one down on there. So now we have the new fan on. We want the dimples facing down towards the engine to cool it. And we're gonna go ahead and put it back together. Okay, the shell is back together. Now we just need to screw it together and we're done. Thanks for watching. For more tips, tricks, and the best arborist gear, check us out at GapArboristSupply.com.